Quest for Tech, where every day is a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech. Spring is here and summer is on the way. So now's a great time to check out and even upgrade some of the things in our homes that help keep us safe. So today we're checking out the XS01-WT Wi-Fi smoke alarm from XSense. It's on sale right now for $39.99 on XSense's website. And we have a quick link in the description for you to easily get there. And if you use the code XSense10, you'll save yourself 10%. So what makes this Wi-Fi smoke alarm so cool? Well, first off, it's super easy to install in just a few minutes. It comes with the screws, anchor plugs, and mounting bracket that you need to easily attach it to your wall. All you have to do is scan the QR code on the box to download the Tuya Smart app or the Smart Life app. Once you create an account and connect it to your Wi-Fi, then you'll receive real-time notifications whenever an alarm sounds. The Wi-Fi smoke alarm continuously checks its battery status and Wi-Fi connection, just to make sure it's always operating properly, and you'll always know when you have to replace the battery. And the best part is, right from the app, you can silence any annoying alarms like steam from the shower or even something you might have overcooked on the stove. It also has an upgraded photoelectric sensor that significantly increases the alarm sensitivity. You'll get a malfunction notification if the alarm software malfunctions. And if you lose your Wi-Fi connection, the smart alarm will still function as a normal alarm, detecting smoke and sounding an alarm to let you know. Speaking of alarms, let's see how this Wi-Fi smoke alarm sounds. Wow, that is definitely loud. Oh yeah, someone's gonna hear that. Overall, we enjoyed our experience setting up the Wi-Fi smoke alarm, and using the app was a breeze. This is definitely a well-built smoke alarm that is greatly enhanced by its Wi-Fi connectivity. I mean, getting notifications on your phone wherever you are is really helpful, and it gives you more peace of mind just knowing that your home is being protected. This is a must-buy for sure. The Wi-Fi smoke alarm is now on sale for $39.99 at xsense.com. And if you click our link in the description below, you can use the code XSense10 to save yourself 10% off your purchase. So friends, give it a click. We'd like to thank XSense for sending us this Wi-Fi smoke alarm to review. Home security is very important to our channel. Thanks so much friends for watching this video. We really appreciate you all. Do us a favor and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We really appreciate you all helping our channel grow, and it means everything to us that you're watching the videos. Everybody have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and never stop questing. Peace.